So así como dice ahí en el Facebook page, we do a little bit of everything. Let me show you guys what we're gonna do now. Vamos a aventar un John Deere. I'll tell you what we're gonna do to it. We're gonna buff all that. All this on this side, and Maito's gonna repair these cracks on the fiberglass. This right here. Pues aquí está el tractorcito, guys. Le hicimos buff, pues estaba rayado de allí. Y luego aquí, pues estaba cracked aquí, so fixed it, painted it. Le hicimos buff este lado también. Put on the pinstripes on this 2019 RX350L SUV. So we put the pinstripes on. Pues aquí quedó, guys. Ya está listo los pinstripes. We used 3M striping tape. Estamos llegando a Bogus Ford. Vamos a ver qué nos dice Mario. Again, thank you everybody. We have reached our 100 subscribers. Actually, right now we're at 101, right? 101, something like that. We're at 101. So, yeah, it's time for me to do the giveaway. Somebody hit the truck. I don't know. Damn it. I guess where we were eating a little while ago, somebody hit the truck. Right here, man. Look at that. Golly. Pero ni modo, I guess we're gonna have to fix it.